Hello guys and welcome to our Royal Tourist channel. Today we will be seeing top 10 busiest airport in the world. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel to get new video update. In a typical year, hubs across Europe, Asia and the United States sees millions of passengers, with airports in Dubai, London, Paris, Tokyo named among the busiest in the world. Of course, 2020 was not that typical year and the air traffic dropped dramatically due to the coronavirus pandemic. According to ACI, which is Airport Council International, overall passenger traffic decreased by 64.6% at the world airport. And in number 1, we have Gunjaroon Bayonne International Airport. The number of passengers in this airport is estimated around 43,767,558 to be exact. That's kind of insane, right? Okay, this international airport was the busiest airport in the world in 2020 with over 40 million passengers, which is decreased down from 73 million passengers in 2019. And that's kind of insane. And in number 2, we have Hartfield Jackson Atlantic International Airport. The number of passengers in this airport is 42,918,000 plus. This airport was previously the world's busiest airport in 2019 with over 110 million passengers, came in a second in 2020. This airport saw 61.2% fewer passengers in 2020 at nearly 43 million. In number 3, we have Chengdu Shuangelu International Airport, which lies in China. The number of passengers in this airport is estimated around 40,741,000 plus, which was decreased by 27.1% year over year. This airport was the third busiest airport in the world in 2020. And number 4, we have Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, which lies in Texas. Number of passengers of this airport is 39,664,000 plus. The United States' second busiest airport last year, Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, moved up to from 10th busiest airport in the world in 2019 to the 4th busiest in 2020. And in number 5, we have Shenzhen Bowen International Airport. Yes, it's of course in China. The number of passengers in this airport is 37,916,054. This airport was the world's 26th busiest airport for overall passenger traffic in 2019. But in 2020, it came in 5th with nearly 38 million people traveling through. Moving toward number 6, we have Chonji Jaibang International Airport, which lies also in China. The number of passengers in this airport is 34,937,000 plus. Another Chinese airport saw major jump in ranking as the other hub around the world saw fewer passengers amid the pandemic. This airport was 48th in 2019 and 6th in 2020 for overall passenger traffic. Number 7, we have Beijing Capital International Airport, which of course lies in China. Yeah, this year there are a lot of airports which is from China. Sounds suspicious, right? Okay, the number of passengers in this airport is 34,513,000 plus. This was the second busiest airport in 2019, but the passenger traffic fell a dramatic by 65.5% in 2020, causing it to come in 7th in this year. Number 8, we have Denver International Airport. The number of passengers in this airport is 33,741,000 plus. This was among the United States' busiest airport in 2020, but it could be more than a major hub. There are some pretty wild conspiracy theory about this airport involving in Illuminati, underground bunkers and many more. In number 9, we have Kunming Changju. Okay, in this airport, the number of passengers were 32,990,000 plus. This went from 37th busiest airport in the world in 2019 to the 9th busiest in the 2020 with a 31.4% decrease in passengers. And last but not the least, we have Shenzhen Hongqiao International Airport, which also in China. Yeah, I told you that China is considering something. Okay, this was the 10th busiest airport in 2020 with over 30 million passengers, down to 31% from 2029. With the hub saw over 45 million travelers passengers through. Okay guys, so if you made this far, then thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. I will see you guys in the next one.